Why does your scanner show the P0190 engine code? What does it mean? P0190 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure sensor circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that the PCM detected an issue with the sensor's voltage signal or the wiring to it. Common symptoms include a flashing check engine light, engine hesitation or stalling, poor performance, and difficulty starting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pressure sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Fuel pump issues. Clogged fuel filter. Fuel line leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Mitsubishi, Volvo, Hyundai, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.